Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dedy Irwanto. I am a student at Songkaya di Kamalil. I will give a tutorial about how to make a network cable. Network cable is divided into two, namely straight and cross. Now, I will make a straight network cable. The straight cable order corresponding to DIA/EIA 368B. Standard is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. Well, now I start the first step of preparing equipment and material. Equipment and materials needed are printing tools, multitester, UTP cable, and RJ45 connector. The second step is the process of installation or manufacture. First, peel it the end of the cord like this. Be careful when peeling, try the cable inside is not cut off. Then, after the peel, separate this cable and straighten one by one. Hey! After that, arrange in the order that is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown.
Action.
Okay, if there is an uneven end of the cable like this, then entangle using crimping tools like this. After the end of the flatnet cable, now put into the RJ45 connector like this. Make sure the end of the cable was plugged properly like this. After that, crimping using crimping tools like this. Make sure this position is right, then crimping up to hear a click like this.
Action.
After that, we do the other end, the same way as before. Like this, the result. Then, we test using multitester. It's why plug both ends of cable to master multitester, then press the button. If all lights are like this, then start success. Good luck. That's all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.